Me liquor nice and me weed have a vibes and me just beat me fresh, me feel nice and come out clean, come out looking right and everybody I enjoy themselves.
Yo, what's good YouTube gang? You don't know your boy Jambisco back with another mad update and a mad update. Never a sad update. Yeah man gang, you see what we are doing today. Yo, Vybz Cartel has landed in LA, California for the 2025 Grammy Awards. Yes, people. He's on the ground. He's been nominated for his latest project, Party With Me. He's been nominated for Best Reggae Album of the Year. Yeah, man, people. So he did get his visa and now he touched down on the ground in LA, you know, live in our city. We'll show you some footage from that. Him there with TJ Record, Scatterbarrel, and, you know, so and his wife. See them. Yeah, man, gang. Also, gang, we also we have the top 5 reasons why Vybz Cartel might, you know, actually walk away with the Grammy. Yeah, man, people. So you definitely want to stick around for that. But first, we'll show you some footage of Vybz Cartel. They're on the ground in LA. It's a good look. You see, you can't say dog feel, you know, happy and enjoy himself. So him actually getting visa and he fly out. Take a look.
About 5 pictures.
Yeah, man.
That's an area. Remember, we're there in LA. That's a nation, some powder bank. And how much it has sell for? Yeah. Have you seen you online, man? Yeah, respect you, respect. Respect, yeah. An ambulance I'm sent for me. You hear me? Chip me chicken or fire truck. So anyway, you see me, it's a family. DJ. Scatter. What is under my nose? About.
Yeah, man, people, as Vybz Cartel in LA with him, TJ Records and Scatterbarrel. You see me and say, yeah, man, dog up on the ground. You can see dog. I look over, show people. And, you know, what was that? The East West Bank in California. Yeah, man, I say how much you buy the building and all type of stuff. That's a joke and half fun. You see me and say people recognize him in the streets. Yeah, it's a good look. But yeah, man, people. Yeah, as I said, Cartel is nominated for the 2025 Grammy Awards for the Best Reggae Album of the Year for his project Party With Me. And I thought people, I was speculating if he might win and the reasons why he might win. You see me and say, some of the top 5, but you don't know, we have put together 5 reasons why Vybz Cartel might actually walk away with the Grammy. You see me and say, and at number 5, according to Billboard magazine, his only competition right now is the Wailers and Shenseea. You see me and say, which we're not gonna act like it's not competition. You see me and say that the Wailers, I don't know, which is basically Bob Marley again. They have a strong fan base. You see me and say, and you see me, they always, when they say Wailers, basically I say Bob Marley again. So you don't know, so Bob Marley fan base is very large. You see me and say, Bob Marley is definitely the king of reggae. You see me and say, also, you see me and say, but yeah, the Bob Marley year after year, the legacy of Bob Marley is nothing to like play with. You see me and say, so that is a strong contender, as well as Shenseea when it comes to like new artists. You see me and say, yeah, Shenseea as a female artist she does numbers now. You know what I'm saying? From a dancehall aspect, from a Caribbean aspect, she does numbers. You see me and say, so her fan base is pretty strong as well. You see me and say, so yeah. But that's his stiffest competition right now is the Wailers and Shenseea. Also, reason number 4 is, yes, man, what I've been seeing according to Billboard magazine, Vybz Cartel has the more authentic, true, pure for when it comes to album. Vybz Cartel has like the purest form of dancehall or reggae. You see me and say? Yeah, everybody else, for instance, Shenseea is so more of a fusion of dancehall and other genres. But Vybz Cartel is bringing back that old school. You see me and say? It's the old school vibes that bring back the true authentic dancehall that people like, that make you move, feel the energy and the raw lyrics. And you see me and say? Yeah, so that's reason number 4. Reason number 3, you see me and say? Yeah, the Gaza fan base ain't nothing to play with. You see me and say? The Gaza fan base ain't nothing to play with. You don't know Gaza govern the globe. You see me, an empire going on the universe. You see me, I say so. Yeah, Cartel fan base is very big. People, you know, especially Jamaicans, local people tend to, you know, don't play this thing, but Cartel is international, and people shouldn't forget that. Yeah, man, Vybz Cartel is an international artist. Yeah, don't ever get that twisted. Because yeah, Cartel is known all over the world, from artists like freaking from Drake to Rihanna to Nicki Minaj to Cardi B to all of the rapper them. You see me, Jay-Z, everybody know Vybz Cartel as the one of the greatest dancehall artists, our greatest artist, period. You see me, the Eminem, Jay-Z, all them man know Vybz Cartel. So this man is an international artist. People should not forget it. His fan base is very large. You see me, I said, like, the Gaza is very big. You see me, I said, don't ever forget that. You see me, I said, reason number 2. You see me, I said, reason number 2 is definitely, we have to say, see them. You see me, I said, see them, but you don't know. See them, I got that lucky, you know. That lucky. You see me, you don't say good like this. The dog say, if you're lucky, you get back in visa. The dog did get back in visa. You see me, I say, not only see them, not only get back in visa, but come out of jail. How long you have for what, 13 years? You see me, I say, like, yo, this girl been helping man getting back healthy and everything. Like, yo, come on, you need to see them in your life, bro. You see me, I say, yeah, but they're over like see them by yourself, but you can't feel, man. You see me, I say, that's all fun and joy, though, gang. But yeah, man, definitely. Yeah, so ever since, you know, see them coming out of dog life, definitely has changed, dog, and dog life has definitely changed and been up and up. You see me, I say, I wonder how Shotty was a chop and iron right now. Yeah? There with the dog, so like that, couldn't give back in visa, couldn't come out of jail. No, she was a chop and iron. I'm just joking, no gang. But yeah. But reason number 1 why Vybz Cartel Mike walk away with the Grammy is because, well, to be honest, gang, there's nobody else more deserving than the World Boss at this moment in time. Like, the man definitely put in the work over the years. You see me, I say, the man been putting in the work before. Wow, for years before he even went to jail. You see me, I say, definitely had one of the biggest clash in dancehall history. You see me, him and Mavado. You see me, the man continuously set trends. You see me, from up to the time to now when he's making talks like I'm out and what is hand I'm know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the man been setting trends. Like, the man has been the canon, like the pinnacle when it comes to the music. You see me, I say, man, give us bangers and hits behind bars such as Fever and Electric, and you see me, I say, while behind bars, he continued his dominance behind the bars, not being in none of his music videos, was still doing numbers and trending. And now the man is out like, yo, even reason number 1 why he should win the Grammys, even last year he won Artist of the Decade while behind bars, Artist of the Decade at Caribbean Music Awards. So it's only right that he received the Grammy, man. For past works that he's done, for works that he's just released, like just the overall work he's been putting in for years, like years for the genre, like carrying dancehall on him back. You see me, I say, like, yeah, the man definitely deserve it. So reason number 1 why Vybz Cartel to win the Grammys because of the work he's been putting in for the years, man. Yeah, for continuously setting trends, stay ahead of the game. You see me, I say, just being the go-to guy. You see me, for being the Vybz Cartel, for giving people unlimited, unmatched vibes. You see me, man, make songs for everybody. From the Igla, taxi driver, the teacher, the policeman, the gangster, the gallis. The man make the Christian. You see me, the man make songs for everybody. You see me, I say, so that's why Vybz Cartel should win the Grammys tonight. So, yeah, man, people, let me know the thoughts about this in the comment section. If you definitely like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Let me know what you think. As I say, and we might go later on, gang, for might go live later on for the Grammys. Might do a Grammys pre-show live, so look out for that. We might talk and discuss so we think it are going all good. So let me know in the comment section. You don't know, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Out.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.